Okay, I had the remote for you. Come. Because you're going to do something in my chest.
I know.
I know you're going to do it.
I'm not going to do it.
Every time you keep doing it.
See? I didn't touch anything.
YouTube. YouTube.
No YouTube. No YouTube.
YouTube.
No, we used to play. No play? Okay, pull lagi ba? Pull lagi ba? Who had the remote first?
Me.
Me.
No, me. Then who watches first?
First.
Then who watches first when they get up?
Me.
No, me.
With notes of cocoa.
Me, I'm doing fine.
Grounds for a good day. Available.
Alright, so they had a gun game, which is a new time mode.
Son.
The best weapons to the worst weapons, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, right, that's actually a really good start. This might be done. Oh no, just die. There we go. Okay, he's dead. He has to be dead. He has to be dead. Get that guy there. Some more in the open. There we go, one more hit. Not what? Huh? My kill gets stolen when I hit him? What? There we go. This guy's just gonna run. Alright, there we go. Oh no, not this. Not this. I'm literally first place by a huge amount. If I lose this game, never playing this mode ever again. Can you guys just die already? This has to be the kill right here. Come on. If someone takes my kill, I'm done. Okay, you know what? This has to be my kill right here. This has to be. Look how much damage I've done. Look at this. Okay, dude. Look, he's gonna steal my kill. 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 Okay, no, he's not. How's it feel having a bow, bro? Yeah, it's tough. How's it feel having a bow, buddy? I can't tell if I like this mode or not. Yes. No. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. You know what should be the last item? The stun gun, bro. I'll have fun when my kills don't get stolen.
Mama, I'm not giving
Yo,
you
nice.
the
Alright, I'll take it,
remote.
I'll take it. I'll take those, I'll take those. 31 damage, 41 damage, nice. Alright, see, look how much of a good start I always get. Mathematically, I should win. Just die, just die, just die, just die. Okay, this guy is literally one shot.
This is when you start
Yeah.
pressing the record button. You find people trying to donate me.
Kill this stolen. Oh my gosh.
That's it.
What a waste of time. Nice. Alright, you know what? I don't mind if I die here. There we go. Okay, now I just hit some.
Give me. Mama.
Imagine something. Imagine.
Son, not giving me the remote.
Chicken. Broke.
Yeah.
I did. I need fake cries too. He fake cries a lot. Chichi karta bot. Chichi man?
You are dummy man.
I know, right? Like, you.
Oh,